In today's video, I am going to shock you because I have 3 cryptocurrencies that are gonna in today's video, we are going to in today's video, I am gonna shock you with these 3 cryptocurrencies that are going to convert $1,000 into $5 million in the future, of course, without financial advice. Stay tuned for the entire video because we are going to be jam-packed with hardcore information, and I want to be critiqued. I want to know what my community thinks down below in the comments. And please, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Kiara Cass, and let's get started, beasts. So, guys, coin number 1 is one of my favorite top 10 coins, without a doubt, is Veracity. So, we are going to be delving into the digital ad space market, and you guys are going to have fundamental information at your fingertips, and this is so profound. I hope you guys really give the video a good thumbs up there because it took me hours to research this stuff, put the video content together for you. Let's dive right in, guys. Veracity currently sitting at 0.004 cents, ranked 416. You guys know I speak about Veracity often on the channel. If you like Veracity, make sure to smash the thumbs up on the video, and of course share this video, please. That would be amazing, guys. So we know Veracity is at an extraordinarily small market cap today of $43.5 million with a maximum supply of 110 million. Now, you guys would say, oh, okay, well, they can dump the other 100 million on us. But actually, more or less about 80 to 90 million of those coins are locked up and will never be unlocked for the use of the ecosystem in order to perform its functionality. And we already know what its functionality is to help securitize digital videos like the one you're currently watching, to make sure that it is a legit system. So it's basically security for videos and content so that there's no plagiarism and so on and so forth, guys. You guys already know this. I've spoken to you guys before. My personal goal, accumulation goal, is 1 million of these coins, guys. 1 million of these coins today would cost $4,220, just as a little bit of a heads up. That's $4,220 there. The market cap in fully diluted valuation is 466 million. That's 11x from where it is on its actual market cap, which means people trust the project. People have invested in the project. The project has already been around for way longer than 2 years. It's down 95% since its all-time high. It's up 111% from its all-time low. So what do you guys think? Currently, interestingly so, its market cap dominance is 0.004%, which is the same as its price. Yeah, that makes me absolutely happy and excited, guys. So let's just delve in here, and then I'm going to take a look at some previous price action that I spoke to you guys about on my channel on the video in the card that I will leave for you up above. So Veracity is the new standard in audibility and basically transparency through VeraView's ecosystem and VeraView's patented module. We're transforming the black box ad fraud industry. Okay, so what they're going to be doing is monitoring ad fraud. Okay, so with the ad industry and the way that the ad industry has grown and transformed over the years, we're going to delve into that in a little short moment. So make sure to stay tuned to the video. Very quickly, guys, 500, we know this project, 500,000 plus community, 300,000 plus wallets. I'm one of them. I love Veracity. It's been on Forbes, Insider, Yahoo, NASDAQ, Cointelegraph. Our community is gigantic. Their Twitter community, as you can see here, guys, is quite massive. It's over 300,000. And you can see advertising technology based on open ledger principles, the first patented ad tech protocol on the blockchain. So the entire blockchain, guys. So I love this project. If you love this project and you own this project, come and let me know down below. I would love to know. Otherwise, this video is about how to convert $1,000 into $5 million. So let's get straight to the point, guys. Okay, so on your first coin, I previously spoke to you guys, and if you go and watch my Veracity video above, I spoke about these in market cap values. So this would be an $84 million market cap, which is what it was at when I did this video, which was double the price of where it's at. And I'm leaving this for a very specific reason, because I'm going to show you another Excel spreadsheet that I've done and updated that's a little bit different. So I said $10 billion market cap would be at 96 cents. $100 billion market cap would be $9.64. Now, with a $10,000 investment, you get that many coins at that price, okay? We're now halfway down. So $10,000 would actually get you about 2.5 million Veracity coins, guys. I just want to let you know that right now while I'm speaking to you. And this, as we're earning, when I did this, we were earning 18.25. I think it's now 15.75, okay? Year one, if you invested and you got 100,000 coins, that would have cost you $810 at that point, at that price point. This is how many coins you would basically have accumulated and added to your position, giving you in year 5 $2.2 million while waiting for a specific price action to hit. Now, with that being said, I'm going to show you the first coin on my updated Veracity list. But for now, give me one moment, because I would like for you guys to go ahead and smash the thumbs up on the video, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and I would absolutely love to know from my community if you guys own Veracity down below. Please let me know. Let's delve right into this price point right now. And if you guys want to trade Veracity with me, then make sure to go and check my pinned comment down below. You can go ahead and get my Bitflex and my Bybit link. Go and check those out right there. My Bitflex link is going to give you incredible bonuses. So is my Bybit link, and you guys are going to have fun. It's pinned in the comment and in the description. You cannot miss it. Click it there. It's going to be amazing for you, and you guys are going to get bonuses to invest in these coins that I'm showing you and make even more than the 5 million that I'm saying. So Veracity, if you have to invest $300 today, okay, you would get yourself 71,140 coins. The price today is 0.0042 cents. The date is, of course, the date. I'm saying to you that if we only sold it at $5, not my $9 and call it $10 that I had on that other document, and from a higher price point, our profit, okay, that would take Veracity to a market cap of about $51.756 billion. Now, you guys don't believe me in what I'm about to show you, then we shall see in a moment. Okay, I will make sure that I show you and give you conviction to what I'm saying to you on these coins. Okay, no financial advice, of course. So the gains would be about 1,200 or 1190, and your profit from $300 would be about $355,000, $355,403, guys. Insane gains. Okay, now I believe Veracity can do much higher than that, but let's just leave it at that for now, and let's go and check this article out on market cap value of ad spend across the world. Okay, well, guys, I'm not sure what happened. This website gave me access to all of the data that was on here a few moments ago, but for some reason, now that I refresh the page, it's access denying. So if it wants me to access, I've got to pay for it. But anyways, I will do that another time. But just very simply, what was here was about $944 billion in ad spend for this year, for this end of 2023, okay? Then over here in 2027, they reckon it was going to be at around $1.4 trillion already. Then what you would see here is the countries, the ad spend share, okay, and how the digital advertising and traditional advertising would be spent. And the majority of it, as you can see, is in the blue, which is actually digital ad spend, okay, which ended up being far more than traditional advertising, which is TV, radio, and that kind of thing. So digital advertising consists of social media, websites, cell phones, app, internet, and that kind of stuff. So we're going to have a little bit of a look into that. But right now you can see social media advertising continuing to grow, guys, as you can see there. I can't remember what that was going to be worth. In-app advertising is one of the biggest growth trajectories. Okay, and right now we're just kind of sitting halfway up. Then the average spend per capita. So you can see that the very, very obvious ones of the purple, the yellow, which is in-app, search advertising, and then this guy here, which is it says TV. Yeah, so TV and video advertising. Okay, so because people still watch stuff like that. So the biggest ad spend by industry, it had FMCG over here. It then had retail. Then it had pharmaceutical. So very interesting on the pharmaceutical being the third. I would never have said that. And look at all of this. This blue box here was actually the digital ad spend. The rest of it was the as above, like I've just mentioned to you. And basically, guys, that's that. But I have something that I want to share with you from that aspect, because here, the global digital market, here's another one that I can give you some perspective, not to just, discredit what it is that I'm trying to say, because what I'm trying to say is here on multiple sources, okay? So global market for digital advertising and marketing, this is from Research and Markets. Market forecast to grow at a CAGR rate of nearly 14% annually, guys. Okay, annually. Okay, they're saying in 2022 it was 931 billion. Then the other one was saying that it's 944 billion. And I think the other one, Statista, is actually a lot more accurate, to be very honest with you. And I've noticed that over the time that I have used it. Then USD, by 2030, they're reckoning it's going to be about 1.5 trillion. So for me, I think it'll be a little bit higher than this by the sounds of it. And what do you guys think down in the comments below? I would love to know what my viewers think about that right there. Okay, let us go and finish off. So do you guys still think that you can make that on Veracity? Let me know down in the comments below. And then let us go and delve into coin number 2. All right, guys. So coin number 2 is Alchemy. All right, guys. So Alchemy, right, is currently ranked 817. Have you guys heard of Alchemy before? I've only spoken about it once on my channel at the beginning of this year, and I actually haven't spoken about it for a while, but I have been invested in this project for a little while. I was actually in at double the price that it is, so I'm down 50%, but I'm currently, and I've bought some today, and I'm currently accumulating a little bit more at these very, very low prices. Because when I did start this video, it was only 8.5% down. Now it's actually 13.1% down, which for me is going to tell me that I need to buy loads more. So I'm going to go and do what I say in this video that I'm about to do. So currently sitting at 0.009 cents, down 13% for the day, only on a very small amount of people's watch this at the moment. And I don't think many people know about Alchemy. Do you? Let me know down in the comments below. So Alchemy is currently sitting at a very, very small market cap of $12.8 million with a small $360,000 trading volume. And it's got a fully diluted of double than what it is right now, with a maximum supply of coins of 250 million and 135 million are already in circulation. So the coin is currently down 90% from its all-time high at 88 cents. And we are up 121% from its all-time lows at 0.042 cents. Okay, so that's pumped hardcore already, as you can see in the past little while. So this coin has just been coming down for a little while, but that's not a problem. If you were to invest just $100 today, you get 1,076 coins. And then basically let us go ahead and have a look at what this project is all about. So Alchemy is, and I'm just gonna get this refreshed very quickly while we're doing that too. Okay, let's get that back in there. Excuse me, guys. So Alchemy is the world's first decentralized ad exchange, a decentralized replacement to the inefficient legacy programmatic ad exchanges with the mission to restore the value exchange between advertisers, publishers, and users. Okay. So you can go ahead and contact them. You can import your ADS here if you want to basically come and sign up with them, and then you can basically stake your ADS here and earn some passive income and rewards. So we're not going to have a look at that now, but ExchangeWire, Bitcoin.com, Constellation, DAG, GSR, ILab, Lattice, Ledger, and so many more, guys. This project is already very, very well trusted. There's plenty of information on this project on the internet. So come and have a look at this beautiful project. Node Army as well. Huge partners here, guys. So exchanges, why Alchemy? It's reduced transaction fees up to 10 times lower than traditional exchanges. We want to make your budget go further. Transparency, carbon footprint, AI exchange state channel. So basically AI exchange is the state channel for facilitating a programmatic exchange that will provide cost savings and fraud prevention for all stakeholders in the advertising industry. Users exposed to digital advertising, publishers that host advertising, and advertisers that buy digital media. So a website, so basically advertiser agency, demand side platform, AIX, you get Alchemy, pre-bid client adapter, pre-bid server adapter, publisher AD server, and then website. Okay, so basically infrastructure in between to help with the ecosystem. So Alchemy Labs, you can go ahead and look at them. They've got NFTs. They're helping Web3. They've partnered with Realm as well. Alchemy has an exchange on its own as well. So huge stuff happening in this project. And if you want to go and have a look at the team behind Alchemy, you can go ahead. Ben Putley, Adam Corley, and Chandru Naranya. For more details, white paper on the website. You can go and have a look there if you like. If you want to come and check them out, come and check out their social media here. I'm not going to go through that now. I want to go and have a look at the previous price coin that I have shared with you guys on this video above here right now. Market cap was way back then, as when I bought in, at 17 cents, okay, which meant the market cap was about 18 million. So I'm reckoning if you can go to a market cap of about 10 billion, that would give us a $98 price. If 100 billion, you can go to a $980 price. I would just round it up to $1,000. Your $10,000 investment at that time would have got you about 57,000 coins. Now, guess what? It's half of that today. So your 10,000 investment will get you about 110,000 coins today. Now, the all-time high was 88 cents. I was previously saying, if you guys wanted to become a millionaire with this project, you would need to get yourself a very, very simple amount of coins. My personal accumulation goals are 10,000 of these coins, and that would basically, if it gets to $100 billion market cap and you're selling 10,000 coins at $1,000 a coin, you guys do the math for yourself. But we are going to go and delve into that now. Before we do that, Alchemy Exchange, come check them out on Twitter. We are the world's first decentralized ad exchange built using the principle of generative economics to rebuild the intended value exchange of the open web. Now, what I just showed you previously before I started Alchemy was exactly something that you needed to be very, very conscious and aware about, right? Because actually, ad share spend is going to be worth trillions of dollars. And currently, the entire crypto space is worth 1.1 trillion. Now, I imagine this Alchemy is a crypto, okay? So is Veracity, and so is the other coin I'm going to show you in a moment. But with all of these being part of the crypto space and taking a huge portion of the ad revenue space in the digital space, who do you think businesses are going to come to? The first decentralized ad exchange plus Veracity, okay, which happens to be the ecosystem that provides anti-fraud, okay. These two projects are going to bring crazy, massive adoption to us in this space, guys. So I believe that these coins, I'm convicted, and I'm, just holding the bags for the long term for now, because I've previously said to you guys that's what it can do. But let's go and have a dive into the investment that we would make. So we're saying we would buy $400 in ADS or Alchemy today. That will give us about 4,319 coins. The price today is 0.92 cents, as you've seen. The date is today. We will come back and look at this document in the future. Of course, the potential gains that I'm saying would be about 10,900. And why am I saying this? Okay, guys, because Alchemy could probably hit a $1,000 price on selling price point, okay, if this reaches a simple $250 billion market cap. Now, if Alchemy is going to become the first decentralized ad exchange, what do you think Alchemy could do to bring in institutional capital into the digital realm space through this project? It is the first ad exchange platform, and it's going to partner, which it has already done with Veracity. I'm not going to go into those articles. Go and do your own research on it. They have partnered together to help revolutionize the digital ad space. So your profit from your $400 would convert into $4.3 million if you had to sell these coins at about $1,000 a coin, okay? If it reached a $250 billion market cap. Now, I know that might sound ridiculous, so even if it just reached $500 a coin, okay, I'm saying to you guys, that would be a $2 million profit, okay? That is insane, from $400. Let me know what you guys think down below, okay? And even if that had to reach $125 billion. Now, the ad revenue space, they're saying by 2030 will be worth $1.5 trillion. Now, guys, what I've just said to you, the entire crypto space, okay, is online gambling space and gaming space. It is all part of crypto and the blockchain. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know. Let us go and delve into coin number 3 and the final coin to show us how we make our $5 million. All right, guys, are you enjoying this video so far? Then let's get to the last little bit of how to convert $1,000 into $5 million with these 3 cryptocurrencies. Thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss Show. I really appreciate it. And I would appreciate if you guys could also smash the thumbs up on the video for me. And of course, if you are part of the channel, viewers that are not subscribed to the channel, that would be really appreciated if you could subscribe to the channel. We are almost clapping 1,000 subscribers, and I would love to see us hit 1,000 subscribers by the next 2 weeks before the Federal Reserve raise interest rates. I'm going to put that onto the community. Thanks for being here, guys. All right, guys, coin number 3. We've already spoken about Veracity, okay? Veracity. We've already spoken about Alchemy, okay? And now, for coin number 3, we are going to be speaking about Adshares. And why I'm going to be speaking about Adshares is because, so Veracity, as I said, and Alchemy already did a partnership together. Now, Adshares brings a little bit of a different dynamic to the space as well, although it's competitive to Alchemy in some way or another, not quite, but in some way or another. Adshares is currently sitting at 579, which is higher than Alchemy. Okay, so it has a little bit of a bigger market. It has double the market cap of Alchemy right now. And what I've just shown you is these 3 coins are all microcap gems. They are all under $100 million, guys. Do you understand and understand what it is that I'm saying to you? This industry is going to be worth trillions. And if these 3 projects just took in very simple, okay, I'm going to say to you guys, 100 billion, that's 1 trillion. Okay, sorry. So let's even just call it $2 trillion, okay? All right, times 10%. If they had to just have 10% of the entire space, that would give us a $200 billion market cap. So what I've shown you on Alchemy is already $250 billion. And I'm talking about 20%, maybe 30% for these coins of that entire space. You guys have seen exactly why I said that to you. So they have a 230,000 trading volume. There's 24 million locked up in fully dilution. Then total market cap is total supply is under 39 million, and all of those are basically in circulation already. So all the coins are in circulation. It also has much less than the rest of them. So this project could do much better than the rest of them, but I have been a little bit more modest on this coin because it hasn't yet made drastically significant partnerships like Alchemy and Veracity have. So if you had to spend $100, you would get yourself 158 coins here. It's down from $5.72, 90% down from $5.72, but it is up 6,000%. So you can see it has had the highest, craziest gain, guys. And that's why I've had to be a little bit bullish on this coin in many, many ways. And I've been quite bullish, but I haven't been as bullish as I was with Alchemy, okay? So let's go and have a quick squiz here at adshares.net. Now, this is the first time I'm actually speaking about adshares.net. I've never spoken about them, so I don't know much about them. So, of course, no financial advice on this coin. I can only speak for the others. Will I invest in this coin? I'm very likely will invest in this coin the amount that I'm speaking to you guys about. So Web3 standard for digital advertising, come and build with us. That's the price. That's the market cap. Ads served $6.72 billion worth of ads. It's a blockchain payment protocol for all advertising. So Adshares is the only full blockchain ecosystem for ad tech. Instant, secure, and transparent peer-to-peer payments, ad settlement, and decentralized ad networks all over the blockchain, like RTB and Swift combined, saving time, money, and energy. See what you can do. So imagine if Adshare actually came ahead and partnered with Alchemy and Veracity, guys. It's a developer-friendly source open SDK, allows seamless integration with the ecosystem, connecting multiple apps that use digital ads, ad servers, ad networks, metaverses, gaming, marketplaces for influencers, Web3, analytical, browser apps, plugins. So this is what I've been saying to you guys about these projects. So rebuild trust in the ad industry, because you can eliminate fraud, enhance data sharing, eliminate false display, eliminate middlemen, transparent fees. So Adshares is slightly competing with both of them, but in a very short nutshell, it could also partner with them, okay? And they are really world advertising economy powered by decentralized autonomous organization. So have your say in evolution into ad tech in Web3. So ADS could do pretty darn well in my personal view. And I would like to go and have a look at so it's funny because Adshare, they have the same ticker. Let us go and have a look here. So ADS and Alchemy has $ADS. So very interesting, okay? But nonetheless, when you go and type them in, they are the same ticker. And I would like to go ahead and show you the price points over here. And Adshare could, if you spend $300, so there's your $1,000 now that you've spent, you invested your $1,000, okay? You've now spent, the quantity that you'll get is 474 coins. The price that you're getting it is 63 cents, like I said. The date is today. The potential market cap that I reckon for this would be about $19.4 billion, okay? The potential sell price of this coin would be about $500, okay? The insane gains that you would make would be about 793, okay? And the profit that you would make would be estimated about 236,000, okay, if you invested $300. Now, let's not worry about the quantity and the prices of all of this. I want to go and show you this beautiful energy over here, because now you can see that with a total market cap value out of the 1.5 trillion to 2 trillion, maybe even more than that, I reckon much more than that, okay, especially with the way things are growing in the ad space and the trajectory is like a rocket taking off. Just remember that is only 321 billion out of the entire 2 trillion. That's 12 to 15, 13 to 15%, guys, okay, of that entire market cap value. And that's why I say, and I believe with conviction, that you can convert with these 3 coins invested this way. No financial advice, of course. I'm just giving you guys something that I'm doing, and I see the potential in the future of these cryptocurrencies by spending $1,000 today. And in the future, Who knows when it will be? Sell your coins to make yourself $4.9 million. That's $5 million. Last little thing, let's go and quickly have a look at the charts and see where the charts are today. I'm just going to refresh all of them for us. Okay, so the first chart, let's go and look at Veracity. Okay, so we have spoken about Veracity multiple times. Okay, you can see that it's forming a new resistance level over here, which is very nicely aligning with the 50 moving average right here. And as you can see that I've previously drawn that line down here, which crossed right there. This line, if I had to take it, would probably pull us through this level right here, giving us a very strong indication that it is a good point for this coin to be making a W pattern plus a W pattern and an even larger W pattern here at the moment, probably looking to come back up to its 200 moving average at the 0.005 cents level, okay, because there's a lot of resistance there at that level. But once it does end up breaking through this level, you can see that on the weekly time frame that the RSI is coming to a very nice point of purchase, okay, holding very nicely on this level, upward sloping level right here, getting ready to basically break out of this crazy long-term resistance, which it already has, excuse me, and get very, very, very much well above the 50 moving average on the weekly time frame. Okay, now once it gets above that 55 level, okay, this coin has one little stop and another little stop here to make crazy gains, guys. So if you guys don't believe that Veracity is going to make you about 400% gains over the next short little while, then I don't know what you're thinking, because right now this is going to be one of the biggest times in history that you can make crazy gains. So I've previously said that this coin, and as you can see, look at the nutty gains that it makes here, guys, over very, very short spaces of time. 34,000%, 1,000%. So guys, if you don't believe that this coin is going to go shoot for the stars and beyond, then I don't know what you're thinking. Next coin, Alchemy. Alchemy on the daily time frame. So Alchemy had a crazy pump based on the Veracity news that it had, but now it's currently met the 200 and there's a bit of heavy resistance. This is on the daily. If this candle doesn't engulf this candle, then unfortunately, I don't think that this is going to go much, much lower. So if this could be a decent enough time to start accumulating, even if it comes down a little bit, it would be a decent time to start accumulating this coin right here in this space, guys. It's very, very irrelevant because it's probably not going to go lower than that, even though it's a 21% drawdown. It is a hefty drawdown. But guys, if I have to zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out, come and look at it on the weekly time frame, we can have a direct look at what this coin is doing on the weekly and what the potential of this coin might be on the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that we have just literally been in a constant slope of down slope, which is essentially forming what I would say is probably considered a very delicious flag pattern, okay, which is giving us an opportunity to accumulate down at this point with a huge pump up here with good buy volume coming in at this point as well on the weekly, waiting to get back up above the 50 here. We get back up above the 50, we're likely coming up to this level, rebounce, retest the 50, break up, retest that downsloping resistance, which will be converted into support before we make a strong break up to the upside, which from this point, guys, at the top of this level here, okay, there's not much resistance after that, which means it goes into price discovery. Okay, keep that in mind when you purchase Veracity. Now, the last one is Adshares. As you guys can see, Adshares has been on a downward trajectory for some time now, all the way up from that $5 price level. But as you can see, we are very, very much oversold now at the bottom down here. And I haven't really looked at this chart before, but if I had to just really do something extraordinarily simple, that's a resistance level up there, as you guys can see. And then there will probably be another resistance level over here because of all the gaps, as you can see over there. So not much pit stop on the way up, but from where we currently are to get to that 200 would give us 85%, break up to the first resistance, 187, and then about 335%. So I would like to say to you that on the weekly time frame, okay, this beautiful coin is looking also very, 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 very mighty delicious. Now, with all of that magic happening, okay, you guys can see those levels are pretty decent, right? So on the weekly, the RSI is coming to a very, very overbought perspective. I mean, oversold perspective, excuse me. You can see that the candles continue to drop, but there is huge sell volume in this particular coin. I just need to give you a heads up. It could drop a little bit lower. I don't know, because right now it's in price discovery to the downside. But if I had to say to you guys that I said $500 on this coin over time, and I'm saying like 2030, 2033, guys, it would take you like 6-7 years to make that kind of money. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you could make more in between, but you could literally take $1,000 and convert it into $5 million if you use my method that I shared with you guys down below here. And if you guys enjoyed this beautiful video, then please make sure to come over to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit the links down below, pinned in the comments and in the description, so that you guys can sign up and trade these coins with me. And let's go and make some good cash together out there. And of course, you can also stake these coins, at least Alchemy and Veracity you can, and you can increase your bags over time and make even more than the $5 million. So guys, you think that it's unrealistic. I've heard of people converting $100 into more than $3 million before in the space. It's possible. Nothing is impossible. And if you guys believe that too, then make sure to smash the thumbs up on the video for me, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you guys just go ahead and have a beautiful day ahead. And if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to review what my beautiful community has to say. Otherwise, have a beautiful day ahead. Much love and beautiful blessings to you all wonderful souls. Take care, and we'll see you then.